Hello, Adrian. Hello, everyone else watching.
Hello, Karin. Hello, everybody.
Today, we want to talk about something that is actually personal experience and may help you understand why a person may walk away from a job that they actually like. So, Adrian, today is our 8-year anniversary. Congratulations to the both of us. In the last 8 years, uh, what was the biggest change that has happened for you, and what are you most proud of?
I would say that the biggest change that happened for me in the past 8 years was resigning from my job in the corporate world and started working with you.
I can remember how we initiated this plan. Now, please share with our viewers what actually made you wanna stop at this particular job and join me. What was the initial factor?
I was quite happy with my job. I liked what I was doing. Um, and at one point, I simply asked for an extra week of vacation. Having this extra time was really, really important to me. However, I was told that this was not possible, and that was the determining factor for me to leave the corporate world.
Mm. So if anyone from HR is watching or management is watching, please take into consideration that people are motivated by different things and they have different needs. Not everybody is motivated by earning more money. Some people want to have more flexibility or more free time. So it's up to you to see how can you make this happen. This was our thought for today, and we will definitely see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.